to a new video. If you guys are new here, subscribe, like this video. In the past like few months, I've been doing a lot of brand work, and I kind of want to show you guys one, like how I got into doing brand work. I don't want this video to come off as like, look at everything I'm doing, and like come off as kind of like conceited in a way. But like one of my main ways of making money is working through brand sponsorships, and I just really love doing them. Working with a new company is always like so exciting and so fun. Let's break down like how I get sponsorships. So most of the time it's literally just from me getting emails from a brand that wants to work with me. What I would recommend doing is having your email attached to your Instagram, to your TikTok, to your Linktree. Like have your email anywhere that if a brand looks at your account on social media and is like, oh my god, we love what they stand for, we really want to work with them, they can email you like super easy. So that's like the number one step. The second step is definitely to also put yourself out there. Like you can email a bunch of different brands like a pitch, and you can even use ChatGPT to like make the perfect brand email. Also, don't look at my nails. We need to put new nails on. Number 3 is like to have your rates kind of like settled. I kind of want to like keep everything transparent with you, but this is like what my pitch sheet looks like, if that makes any sense. Basically, it kind of gives you an introduction. It's like branded really colorful, which is like my brand, and you kind of have your prices, and you can have like a little bundle. Keep in mind my prices like change a lot, and most of this is just for Instagram because a lot of my Instagram, I do the most like on my Instagram. The pricing changes a lot. I'm sorry this is in the background. I'm gonna flip that. Even like the brands don't even like ask for your rates, and they'll just pitch something to you, and it can be way higher than what your current rates even are, and you just are like, yeah, I will do that. Or they're a lot lower, and then you would want to send this PDF to them and be like, well, this is kind of like my rates of what I expect to be paid for these types of things, you know, these deliverables. Don't go any lower than what your set rates are. But there are situations where you can work for things for free. So I did a brand collab with Glamcore. It's basically was just a light brand, the coolest light ever. And I just did it for free because I was like, I could use this so much in my business, and I think it would be such a cool like product to branch out to you guys and like show you guys, because I don't know how I live without this thing. Like filming my TikToks, game changer, absolute game changer. Yeah, those are like some of my little tips and tricks that I thought I would share with you guys before we officially start this video. Behind the scenes content stuff. And I'm not getting paid by these brands for this post at all. This is literally just for fun and like for me, and to kind of maybe like teach you guys something. But yeah, I just thought I'd share. I don't know. The first brand I worked with was called Fly Flag. It's like an air dry clay company, and I thought that that would be absolutely perfect for like my audience, because a lot of people wonder what my clay is, and like, you know, a lot of my contents are, it's 100% surrounded by like clay and like clay charms and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, oh my gosh, like how fun would it be to make air dry clay things and get paid for it and just have fun, you know? And I haven't done that in forever, so I was like, let's collab, let's do it, let's do a little collabby. Okay, you want to say hi to the vlog this morning? Say like, hey everyone, I want to play and bite everything. Okay, so step 1 of filming is setting up the filming area, if that makes sense. Last night I put my too hot of one of my ceramic tiles when I was sculpting, and I actually cracked my sculpting surface. It's literally just a piece of glass from a picture frame. If you're gonna do this, be very careful, obviously, because the edges are sharp. Like if you're young, ask a parent for help. Go in. So I'm actually going to flip it over. Oh no. Well, that just ruined my whole plan. I don't know what to do. I could rip this whole painting open and destroy it and take the glass out of here, which I really don't want to do, because I literally need it today, and I don't have time to go out and do it, because these are like things that are on a crunch, and I didn't expect that just to break. So my coffee table, we're gonna improvise here. My coffee table is glass. It's very thick, but I can still work on it and film on it. So I think I'm I'm gonna take this whole thing and put it on my desk. I'm so sad. And like, there's no way I'm gonna break this because look at how thick it is. That's our backup plan. Okay, I grabbed one of my plants from my little grow light area because it's doing really well. And just to have kind of it in the background of when I'm filming because it looks really nice. Little snack, there's a snowflake on it. My setup. The cat. Let's see kind of what it feels like. So I'm gonna make a little Grinch. This is my full reaction to this. I haven't worked with air dry clay in forever. Like if your kids really like slime, this might be, oh my god, it's just like slime. It's literally slime. Okay, as you can see, it's literally pitch black outside now. So I made this cute little cake, and I'm making all of these into ornaments, by the way, for the Christmas tree because I wanted Christmas themed items. The little gingerbread, so cute. I have the gingerbread house, which is a little funky looking, but I tried. It's like you're starting from the beginning. So everything kind of looks a little odd. And then I have this little cupcake, which is actually based off my polymer clay one. It's based off this little cupcake. So the next brand that I worked with was absolutely a dream come true. Like I got this email and I was absolutely shocked. So I'm not even gonna tell you the brand, just watch the footage. I just got really exciting news through an email, and if all falls through, you guys will see it in this vlog. So stay tuned because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi guys, good morning. So today I have to film that other sponsored video, and it's for Nickelodeon, which is crazy. I can say it now because this video will not be posted for like so long until after I actually post this on Instagram, which I have to post it on Friday. They sent me a bunch of videos and clips from the show that's unreleased. I like to sit down and kind of do sketches and draw and kind of just get my brain kind of flowing for the ideas of the video. I have to sculpt earrings of SpongeBob and Patrick. I'm just gonna do some sketches and kind of get my brain flowing in that artistic state because that's what I'm gonna be doing all day. I'm finally almost done to resculpt them because they were too big and so I don't even know where the time went. I don't know how I've been spending. It's been almost 6 hours. To put the hands on SpongeBob and then I can put them in the oven. Another day, another sculpting of Patrick. Look at how little he is. I already finished SpongeBob, which is super cute. Look at him, he looks so funky. Anyways, I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I was working at the flower shop, and then after the flower shop we went out and got drinks. Yeah, so now I'm back in the studio here and still filming on my coffee table glass. Sorry if you can hear the garbage truck. So I have to post a video today, so I need to wrap this up very quickly. But yeah, we're gonna paint little Patrick and then we'll be done.
I don't know. I'm sorry if I missed some of the super chats. I was just like, my jaw was on the floor watching that.
Okay, and so this last brand that I worked with for this video, it was for Flash Foods. So basically they're like a grocery coupon app type thing, so you can get a lot of deals on like the best deals for your groceries and stuff like that, which is really cool and really helpful, especially in this economy. Wanted to rebrand and kind of branch out into their like content. Kiwi's now eating in the background, so I apologize. But basically they just wanted like an artsy video of me making like a keychain. So right now I'm working with this company called Flash Foods. They basically help you find like tons of deals on grocery prices and like things like that, like finding good deals on produce and just like your everyday groceries. I had to film a video and they requested that I do like a little keychain, and then have like with the logo that they have, and then have 2 or 3 food items with like as well. I don't know if they want it attached to the one keychain or multiple, but I think attaching it to one keychain would kind of be like ideal. Basically get everything shipped to my boyfriend's house, and because I don't really trust, I live downtown, it's kind of sketchy, so I don't really trust a lot of my packages getting delivered here. The packaging for this, I don't even know what they sent me, to be completely honest. I have no idea what it is. But it got sent to his house, and I can't start filming this until I know what's in that package, because they're like, here's your tracking info, and then and then they said submit it back in 24 hours, which I've never ever had a brand have like such a strict 24-hour time limit for something. Like, that's kind of crazy. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just gonna do some sketching and kind of planning out what I want to make, like what kind of foods I want to make. I'm like looking at their other videos that they have, and like someone did like a little like a steak as a cookie. They had like a cookie decorator, like an actual cookie decorator, like making cookies of steak and like food and stuff. So I think I'm gonna make, I don't know, just some fun groceries as keychains, and I need to figure out what kind of groceries. upcoming brand work as well. I can definitely film like a behind the scenes of it and share it with you guys and give you more tips on like maybe more tips on just how to get brand work in general. But yeah, so subscribe, like this video, and if you made it this far in the video, leave a pink heart emoji in the comments because I'm curious if you guys are staying to the end of the video.